Hey guys, Greg here, Bohm Tactical. Today we're going to be showing you the OnWote security camera system. So here's what we've got. I have the install actually up here, which I've showed you guys already. There's the little box right there. All right, the actual NVR. And then here's the control. Did a cool little install on this guy, built a custom mount, and you can see where the mount's attached to the back of the TV there. Did a whole little job. Made my, and this is for my workshop here. As you can see, this is the workshop here behind me. Here's the plan for the actual wiring. So let's take a look at that. Really cool thing that's actually happening right now is it's just so happens to be a solar eclipse. I'm here at my Dream Shop build. Got the cool little battle door here. Double-sided solid steel door. Cool little locking system. You guys are gonna love this. Cool little locking system here that is the bone breaker. Zeus and Apollo on guard duty. Apollo's sleeping. But anyway, this is the office section here of my new workshop. Kind of just finishing that up. Did the install here of the cameras. All right. We've got we've got Blu-Rams, Reolink, and OnWote. 3 completely separate and independent camera systems. And the one thing that I don't like so much about the OnWote is that the cameras seem to be fogging up on the inside, and I'm not sure why that is. But yeah, we'll just have to go with time and see if they don't fog up. 2 of the cameras on the 8 camera system were so foggy that I just couldn't see absolutely nothing. But we used electrical conduit here to run all the tubing, and then did some little installs of some little plates of steel framing where we have the cameras actually installed. So pretty cool. Today's actually a solar eclipse, so it's not anywhere near as hot and bright as it normally would be. Kind of a cool fun fact that today's a solar eclipse, so you can figure out what day it is. But that's the gist of the system, and I'll link in some other footage here of the OnWote security camera system. Overall, I really do like them. I will recommend using a closed circuit NVR based system like this because it allows for the cameras to continue filming on all times. Okay, so I've got this that's a battery right there. So even when the power's out, these cameras are still going to be recording on the NVR right there. And then I've just, the TV's kind of just displaying what the cameras are recording. You can see they are a little bit foggy. I've done all kinds of stuff trying to clean these cameras and they just seem to be foggy. So I'm gonna have to give it a little time and see if maybe they clear up, but it's just very unfortunate. I will recommend NVR system, like I said, closed circuit camera system. And then the easiest system is like a Blu-Rams that only goes to your cell phone, but it's not so secure because it depends on the Wi-Fi. I will recommend also having a battery backup, so that's why we've got the battery backup up here. And then that's kind of my recommendation. Find a good NVR system, and this is a review. This OnWote security system was provided by OnWote, and I'm doing the review video. Everything was cool except the fact that the cameras must have been packed in an area that was very humid and then sealed, and then I think there's just some little bit of water inside the cameras, and where I'm at right now is very hot, so certain times of the day around midday the cameras just get so much water beating up on the inside of the camera that it makes them very difficult to use. So that's the downside, but other than that I would recommend an NVR system. I will keep you posted on what happens from here. Thanks for watching. Bone out.